I am Judith Loaf II, a dentist by profession from Lakewood, Zamboanga del Sur. In my younger years, I grew up with much achievements. I excelled in many things, be it in academics or extracurricular activities. Competitive kay ko nga tao. Then I grew up well provided. Nakapasar ko sa board exam. Nakaingon ko, successful na jud ko. No, naanan na ko ang tanan, kanang wala na ko gikinahanglan pa. I hardly go to church those days. Kanang na-remember lang na ako nga nakasimba ko, sige is katong time na ni-take og exam kay I was so busy with worldly achievements. I was so unaware that with all those achievements, gikauna din akong tibok pagkatao, no? Na self-centered na ko. I never boast, but inambok na din ko sa akong kaugalingon. Proud na kayo ko sa akong kaugalingon din. Self-righteousness was being formed within me. Kaya nakaingon ko, mas grabe pagsala ang uban kaysa na ko. Kaya I've never smoked, I've never drink, I've never done drugs or gotten any troubles that others get into. There was one time where I felt so strange, no? Suddenly, worries and fears came into my mind. I was so worried about the future. Nagulanon ako. Sometimes, I cried alone. I'm so anxious about what life would be.
I was lost with a broken heart. You picked me up, now I'm set apart. From the ash I am born again.
There was one time nga nakahilatawo nga niya ko sa akong kinabuhi nga gi-invite ko sa church, pero nag-refuse dyan ko, dili ko mo simba, pero kanang someone inside of me wants to talk to me. Then I stop and listen. Dito na ko nakita na God loves me so much. Sa time na ni simba ko, nung ni-attend ko sa service sa church, nakita na ko nga ang kulang lang giday sa kuway sa Ginoo. And I felt really bad kay kanang I have forgotten God for so many years. I've hurted God. Nakita na kung sa kung makakasala. I've been very busy in gaining good reputations and honor without even think or acknowledge or give back the honor to the ones who gives me everything for me to be who and where I am now. I humbled down myself, making myself empty in front of God, taking off all what I had. Ngayon ko pasaylo sa Ginoo sa tanan akong mga sala. Then akong i-acknowledge ang Ginoo mag-take over or take control over my life. That very moment, unsa ko kabisi pagpaningkamot sa worldly achievements no, mas mulabaw pa ang akong effort ug paningkamot para sa kahimayaan sa atong buhi nga Dios. Karon, busy na kayo ko in winning souls and in building God's kingdom. Walay maikumpara kung unsa ko ka-happy karon nga naa na ang Ginoo sa kong kinabuhi. Those fears, selfishness, and doubts has gone because I know God has a perfect plan for me. I am Judith Loaf II. God has changed me and God can also change you. Change? Yes, you can!